Margot has invited 10 friends to her birthday party. Come and join the party. Let's read this story together. Welcome back, my amazing learners. Today's story is 10 for Dinner by Jo Ellen Bogart. Margot invited her 10 friends for dinner on her birthday. She made 10 invitations and drew pictures of dogs and balloons on each one. Look at those gorgeous invitations, handmade by Margot herself. On the day of the party, 5 guests came right on time at 5 o'clock. 2 came at 5:10 and 2 came at 5:15. But 1 guest arrived early at 3:15. Does Margot look happy about the early guest? Let's find out what happens next. Margot's guests wore their party clothes. 3 guests wore t-shirts and shorts. 1 guest wore a pink lace dress. 2 wore jeans and Western shirts, and 3 wore jogging suits. But 1 guest wore his Halloween costume. Margot served macaroni and cheese, meatballs, carrot and raisin salad, celery sticks, and watermelon. 6 guests tried some of everything. 2 guests just had meatballs and watermelon. And 1 guest had macaroni and cheese and celery sticks. But 1 guest asked for a peanut butter sandwich with olives and sauerkraut. Personally, I've never tasted sauerkraut, but I think it's healthy for you. Margot gave her guests colored paper to make hats. 2 guests made firefighter helmets. 1 made a surgeon's cap. 1 made a pirate hat. 2 made cowboy hats. And 3 made hats for clowns. But 1 guest made a hat like the Loch Ness Monster. Margot asked her guests what they would like to sing. 2 said, "Home on the Range." 3 said, "Row, row, row your boat." 3 said, "This old man." And 1 said, "Itsy bitsy spider." But 1 guest said, "Ragtime dragon and his saber-toothed tiger." He sang a solo. Margot asked her guests what they would like to play. 1 guest said, "Jump rope." 4 said, "Tag." The dog said, "Arf." And 4 said, "Hide and seek." But 1 guest said, "Dirty double no hands blindfolded marbles." Margot opened her presents. 3 guests gave her paperback books. 2 gave her fancy socks. 1 gave her an extra long jump rope. 1 gave her left-handed scissors. 2 gave her hats. And 1 gave her a harmonica. But 1 guest brought a big red box with a black bow. Inside was a huge rock with a shell fossil. When the party was over, 5 guests went home in cars. 2 rode home on their bikes and 2 went on foot. But 1 guest stayed to help with the dishes. The end. I hope that you enjoyed this story, children. And I hope that when you have your birthday parties, you will have fun. You will consider what your guests will eat, what your friends will eat, what games they'll play, what activities you want them to do. So bye for now. See you in the next video.